Coughs. We've all had them, but did you know there are different types? Let's dive in. First up, the dry cough. It's harsh, no phlegm, often caused by allergies or cold air. Next, the wet cough. Sounds gurgly, right? It's your body's way of clearing out mucus. Then there's the whooping cough. It's named after the whoop sound made when breathing in. It's severe, and vaccination is key. Finally, the croup cough. It's distinctive, sounding like a barking seal. Often affects young children. Each cough, unique in sound and cause, might need a unique approach. Consult with your healthcare provider for the best course of action. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay healthy, stay informed. Until next time.